Ruby, you wouldn't dare. You wouldn't dare. Go on. I dare you. Right, well, we've started now. We might as well finish. See if you can pull it out. Does it come off? I think this is the moment when we get rid of the decking. Is it coming? Careful, it'll ping back at you. Is it off? Is it off? Yes! Yes! Ruby, you've done it. You've made all my dreams come true.
Destroyed the decking, Mum's gonna get rid of.
We're getting rid of the decking. Well, you've destroyed it, so we're gonna have to get rid of it now. It's for safety, aren't we? We're gonna have to carry on. You know what this means? We're nearly gonna have a proper garden with soil on the floor.
No.
Right, let's see how much more we can get away with. This is so satisfying. I'm not quite sure where your mum is, Roo. Where's your mum? Is she still in the house?
Yeah, I don't think she's clocked on to what we're doing
Right,
yet.
we need to be quick then, don't we?
Yeah.
Right, I'll just crack on. We're in it now. We're into it up to our necks. So, there's that saying, isn't there? When you're in an hole, you either stop digging or you just keep carrying on, see how far you can get. So I think we'll see how far we can get. Yeah, it has knackered up the side railings. There should be some posts there. So if I get this out, it might be one of them things where you never realise it was there at all. But I don't know, I doubt it. I think I'm just trying to convince myself of that so I don't get massively shouted at when it's seen by the matriarch of the family just how much of a mess I've made. But come on, this has got to be better, hasn't it? Surely. It's got to be better, this. I've not finished yet. I'm not just going to leave it like this. I'll sort it out. I'll put some flags and that down. But yeah, what do you think, Roo?
I think Mum is going to go absolutely mental when she finds out that. And I mean mental. Like, oh, I'm excited.
You're excited? What? To see how much trouble I get? To see how much trouble I get?
Yeah, she'll probably be like this.
Hang on.
She'll be smiling. And she'll be like, what have you done?
Yeah. Well done for not swearing there. Yeah, because I think there might be the odd swear word used. But I've not finished yet. It does look a mess at the moment, I know, but let's give us a chance, Roo. I can do this, I can fix this. Yeah, I can sort this. Right, come on then.
What are you doing, Dad?
I'm just smashing this up. Almost. I got a couple of concrete blocks. Well, I say a couple, there's actually 3. Make a very rudimentary staircase. I've laid 1 slab and I've laid the blocks and the slab on a dry mix of just sand and general purpose cement, and then all this muck around it. I'm going to make that look ace. I'll show you how. Right, I've done that section of decking is dead, and I've replaced it with a couple of blocks for steps, 1 paving slab and loads of gravel. And here I've put some pots strategically to cover up little bits of wood which are still holding up that part of the decking. so it's not done for aesthetic purposes, it's just done to try and disguise the wood basically, because I can't get rid of those bits of wood that are sticking out, because like I said, they're holding up what's left of the decking there. And here, listen to that crunch crunch, here I've got some self-seeded lambs here, which I've been very careful about leaving there. I've gently covered it with a gravel. Hopefully it'll respond well to that and carry on going, because, you know, I kind of feel it's like karma giving back, because what I've taken away with the decking, there's no need to take that away, so I've left it there. So here is the end result. Little steps. Ruby, do you want to test the steps? If Ruby dies, that means I've not done a good job in setting them in.
Oh, if you're well secure. Oh, that's...
Is that good?
Steps, yeah.
Yeah. Right. Ace. Oh, yeah. So what do you think your mum's going to say?
Not happy about that. The banister.
Oh, yeah, I've had to remove half at banister. Oops. Sorry, not sorry.
But I think she'll like the steps, and I think she'll like all the gravel and the little forget-me-nots. So that's good.
Right then. Right. I'm quite happy with it. Not a job fairly well done. Use my spirit level both ways. Make sure it was nice and flat and level. Yeah. I mean, see, yeah, it'll do. It'll do its job until the rest of the decking breaks, and then I can have a garden how I actually want the garden. And instead of paving slabs and gravel, we're going to have soil on the floor, aren't we, Roo? And when there's soil on the floor, what can we do?
Plant more stuff.
Plant more stuff, exactly. Because I mean, pots are all right, but it's not where I want to be. We're getting there though. We're moving towards it. Yeah, you know what? I'm quite happy with that. I am quite happy with that. There's just a little bit of mud down the side of the slab there, but I'll rinse that off and get rid of it. Yeah, it's all right. That. Nice one. Right. I've now stuck a few more pots down just to try and make it look a bit nicer. And a slight little magic of television trick, I've sprayed it with water to make it shine. Right, so phlox, auricular, festuca, blue, strawberries, forget-me-nots, wild garlic, lemon balm. I've added some plants down the side just to hide the gap where the remaining decking was, and then on that side I've added a little fern that we had. Now I think it's hashtag totes and maize balls, but it doesn't matter what I think. What does the boss think? Let's find out. Right, RClare, you were kind of kibossed into this. We didn't ask you or consult you. Me and Ruby just did it. Or should I say me and Ruby? I'm actually trying to get out of trouble. It was just me. To be honest with you, it was my idea. So now you've seen it, what's the verdict? Am I in trouble?
No, you're not in trouble. Very good.
Do you think it's all right?
Really good.
Now I'm actually thinking though, I've gone quite heavy on the gravel. It doesn't make it look like a seaside garden, does it?
No, I like it. In typical stew, you haven't moved the bit of lamb's ear that's...
Oh no, you can't move that lamb's ear. I'm not a murderer.
Move it.
No, I'm not. You got away with that. Oh yes.
Like and subscribe, like and subscribe.